Our sport has a bright future ahead. Every day, around the world, new federations spring up.
Will be the Fédération internationale de football association.
FIFA.
Your so-called federation doesn't even exist yet.
FIFA is full.
Mr. Rime, you need the money. We need a world championship.
The first World Cup will be held in Uruguay. Well, my girl, what do you think of that?
Mr. Avalanž is elected FIFA president.
Our accounts are disastrous. Blater is apparently good at finding money.
I want you to make our ball the star of the next World Cup. If that ball becomes a star, FIFA and Adidas will sign the biggest deal the world's ever seen.
An institution like ours cannot run on good intentions alone. You have everything you need to run our family. But you know, the slightest error and you're out.
I don't know where the money's gone. I mean, I have my suspicions.
You've been betrayed. You could go to prison.
The whole machine's going to blow up, and me with it. Everything I've done up until this point has been for the good of football.
Gentlemen, remember, you're making history.